And we do have some changes on the way for Thanksgiving week still coming up. It was quite warm and windy today. Tomorrow, there is we'll call it a fairly weak front, not a strong blast of cool air, but enough clouds and some showers around to keep temperatures cooler. We should be maybe closer to 70 in some areas or 75 during the day instead of 80 or 85. And then Thanksgiving, maybe 1 or 2 showers left over in the morning, but I think overall Thanksgiving will be a day where it's fairly dry. The clouds may start to break up more by afternoon and temperatures start going back up. But probably will hit their peak Friday and Saturday if you have some after Thanksgiving plans, some leftover plans maybe, if you will. But wind gusts are really dropping off now. We had gusts over 40 miles per hour earlier this afternoon in Cameron and Wolsey counties. Now the gusts are really falling off fast, no more than about 20 miles per hour or so, and really fading away the rest of the evening and night. But temperatures are still in the 70s and lower 80s, 82 in McAllen, 77 in Harlingen. But the humidity is increasing as these temperatures cool off a little more this evening. The added moisture in the air may start to form more low clouds and even some fog late tonight. So we have kind of the setup of some clearing at times this evening. There's some breaks in the clouds. The winds are decreasing compared to what they were earlier today, and the humidity is rising. So all those factors coming together. Late tonight, there may be some patches of fog. Don't think it will be everywhere, but if the winds get light enough, there may be some patches of, we'll call it thick fog, semi-thick fog around in spots, maybe especially toward 4, 5, 6 in the morning in parts of the mid and lower valley, especially I think in Willacy and Cameron counties. But kind of depends on the wind speeds a bit. But some fog possibilities late tonight. Temperatures not cooling off because of the humidity, only down near 70 or so overnight for lows. And your day planner tomorrow, if you're in Starr County, with the cold front, the weak cold front coming in from northwest to southeast, upper valley locations may be the coolest tomorrow. So may hang in the low 70s in Starr County tomorrow if the clouds stay thick enough and some light rain showers at times. Still generally in the low to maybe mid 70s across some of these mid and sort of mid to lower valley locations. And right along the coast, it could peak in the 70s, maybe even in the upper 70s to near 80 closer to the coast if the front slows up enough. But I think pretty much a cloudy day overall and still some showers around. But your best chance to see the warmest weather will be in Cameron County near the coast where the front reaches there late in the morning. You don't see much across Texas right now. Pretty quiet, just some clouds spreading through. These red boxes indicate tornado watches in Louisiana and Arkansas this evening. A cold front is moving through Texas, though. Again, not a strong blast of cold air, but when it comes through, it's kind of going to get kind of stuck near the coast. And once it gets stuck there, it's, it'll be a focal point for a little rain, but not any big rain. You see the big rain in the yellows and reds way out in Mexico, but with this front in the area, there could be some rain showers around at any time tomorrow and tomorrow night. Now by Thursday morning for Thanksgiving, the front will start to weaken or lift to the north, so I think we could clear out a little by afternoon and take away any rain chances. But at least if you're up early on Thanksgiving, maybe a couple of sprinkles or a shower. And then Black Friday, mainly dry. It shows maybe a sprinkle in the area, but I think that's mainly a lot of low clouds and humidity on Friday morning. So again, future track overnight for us does show that weak front coming into the valley and then kind of getting stuck during the day tomorrow. And then again, once it gets stuck, we could see a couple of rounds of clouds and showers throughout the day. Now your Thanksgiving forecast stays near 80, lowered it to 79 because it may be too cloudy to warm everyone up, but a little cooler in the morning and then back in the upper 70s and maybe lower 80s in some areas by afternoon. Now, if you're shopping, it's going to be warm and humid all night. Whether you're going shopping at 9 in the evening Thanksgiving, midnight, 5 a.m., it's going to be warm and muggy. Probably won't drop below 70 during the night. So by 6 a.m., if you're, that used to be early, but now it's like late getting to the store. 74 at 6 a.m., 75 at 8 a.m., and 80 by 10 a.m., and does look like a pretty nice stretch of weather. Around the country, storm system in the western United States, we'll talk more about this next half hour, could bring some heavy snow if you are traveling tomorrow in the mountains and some heavy rain in the valleys in California and the southwest. So if you have any travel plans or friends coming in from the west coast, watch out for travel delays tomorrow. And first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, 70s tomorrow. A little breeze in the afternoon, but not as windy as today. Some showers possible. Any showers should end by Thanksgiving morning. Then we're windy and warm on Friday and hot on Saturday, but then cooling off on Sunday. We'll continue to track this in more detail coming up again next half hour, so stay tuned.